Did I not announce it several months ago? But you're thinking that I'm running? You are speculating that I am running. Is that the popular notion sa...
Yes. Yes, Mr. President.
Yan ang isip ninyo. And it is the almost a... O sige, tatakbo na lang ako.
Wow.
Eh, yung gusto ninyo.
Mayor, si Salvador Panilo, naging duhak daw ang kung dili daw senador o mayor, ayan, imong daganan. According to attorney.
Well, let me put it this way. Kilala naman niyo ako. I've been your mayor for so many years now.